In the 1940s, a quiet Englishman believed he had discovered the perfect murder. His name was George Haigh, and his theory was simple. If there was no body, there's no crime. Haigh was raised in a deeply religious household in Yorkshire. Stories about his childhood describe him being raised almost like a child in a glass cage. He developed great proficiency at the piano and became a choir boy. Early on, he developed a belief that he was invincible. No matter what he did, no harm would come to him. As an adult, he took jobs in insurance and advertising. But after being suspected of embezzlement, he was fired. It was after this that he moved on to forgery. While serving a prison sentence for fraud, Haigh spent his time reading books on criminal law, regretting that he had left victims alive to accuse him. One idea stuck with him. He believed a murderer could not be convicted without a physical body. He became intrigued by Georges Alexandre Sarret, a French murderer who used sulfuric acid to dispose of his victims. So he devised a way to make bodies disappear. Upon release from prison, Haigh, by chance, encountered a former employer, William McSwan. He became envious of McSwan's lifestyle and lured him to his workshop, a grim death trap that Haigh set up for a very specific purpose. There, waiting in large metal drums, was sulfuric acid. He killed McSwan with a blow to the head. Haigh lowered the body into the acid and waited. Slowly, the liquid dissolved everything: flesh, bone, organs. When it was finished, he poured the black sludge down a drain. The body had vanished. Encouraged by the success, Haigh continued. He murdered McSwan's parents, then a wealthy doctor, then the doctor's wife, each time repeating the same ritual: a lead pipe, a gunshot, a barrel, acid, and nothing left behind. The murders appeared perfect. But in 1949, Haigh made a mistake. His next victim was a wealthy widow named Olive Durand Deacon. When she disappeared, investigators searched Haigh's workshop. Inside, they found acid drums filled with dark sludge. Haigh believed the acid destroyed everything, but it didn't. Forensic scientists discovered something he never expected: human gallstones. They don't dissolve in acid. Haigh told police,
"You can't prove murder without a body."
but the evidence was enough. It took only minutes for the jury to find him guilty. In 1949, George Haigh was convicted and executed at Wandsworth Prison. The man who believed he had invented the perfect murder was undone by something smaller than a marble: a single stone left behind in the acid. The past is full of forgotten crimes, and much like this stone, some refuse to disappear. History hides the details, but we don't. Subscribe and join the Vice Crusade.